Hey guys, just wanted to check in for a minute. I came out this afternoon to check my garden and I seen a lot of little bugs eating up my kale. Can you believe it? We have been so hot here. I rushed out this morning. I tried to get up at 6 to get out here before the sun get up and water the garden, and then I go for my walk. And then I come out in the afternoon and check it. My new plants, I will put a little bit more water on them because by the time I get out here in the evening about 5:30, everything is dry. It's like I didn't even water this morning. So I put a little water on the things and I noticed some holes in my kale. I decided, oh, let me check this. And so I checked, and lo and behold, they were loaded. I don't know whether you can see that worm or not, but I noticed something had been eating my kale, and when I pulled some of the leaves with the holes on it, I found a lot of these little worms. Isn't them very bad? I just pulled them off and put them in the trash. So with this heat came the bugs. I haven't really had any problems until now. So I guess I have to be more vigilant when I come out. So I hope you enjoy the little update that I'm giving you. Not much new. Things are getting a little larger, but really not much else is happening except I'm really concerned about this drought. Now these pear trees, last year I had quite a few pears on the trees, and like overnight they fell off. But that was during that time we had that 10 days of very hot weather, and so far this year we're starting out like that. So I have been watering them. They have a lot of pears on them, so I'm hoping I get pears on the pear trees. And I am just trying to keep on top of things because we are definitely short on water. I'm still waiting on those April showers. I think we've had, and I'm not even going to say a decent rain. We have had one decent and one okay. Now the one decent water, it filled up my black water tanks halfway, but the other sprinkle, it drizzled all day and hardly nothing went into the tanks. So I'm having to water everything with the hose. These are the sprouts that I put out earlier that I thought wasn't going to make it, but they are so, I mean, I have never had leaves that large. When I looked it up, said you can eat the leaves, so tomorrow I will have a large pot of these because it's getting very hot. And I'm noticing that the bugs are here trying to eat up my greens, and I put too much work in them for them to have them. So I will be picking some of these leaves tomorrow. These greens here are looking okay. This is some more cabbage. I see one little hole there. I will be checking it a little more tomorrow. But I just came out here for a minute. This is my beets. They're looking good. Strawberries and tomatoes in the pots have just really taken off. These were also some starts that I started. They were very small, and I am just shocked at how fast they're growing. The potatoes are doing wonderful. They are getting these pretty blooms on them. So I know I'll be getting potatoes soon. And everything else, the sweet potatoes are doing great. The squash over there, all looking good. The other tomatoes, more strawberries. So the bush beans are starting to go up the trellis there. That makes me happy. I thought they would go up a little sooner, but I guess they wanted it to get a little hot. They seem to like this heat. So I've been eating the greens, and let me show you. My son has some aquaponics, I hope I'm pronouncing that right, and he had this lettuce and it wasn't doing inside, so he brought it to me and it's looking great. I've been eating off this here. They are doing good, and this is that arugula, the wasabi arugula, and it's tasting pretty good. If you like arugula, you should give it a try. And everything seems to be doing well, so I hope everybody else's garden is doing well. This is Lady P from my backyard garden. Peace and love. I'm out.